cold today. 20 degrees this morning. Warmed up to 50 here in Alabama. But it's a good day, man. It's Friday. Leaving work for the day. A little bit early because I came in early. But if you remember, when the Deadpool 3 movie came out, I was allowed to put my car in a Cinemark theater on Bridge Street in Huntsville, Alabama. Since then, I've reached out to the movie manager, the theater manager, and I told him, I said, man, I really want to do some things like this with some other guys that have cool cars. He said, man, I'm all for it. So last night, my man Dan, Sonic the Hedgehog movie is premiering tonight, and his Hellcat, Sonic themed Hellcat, is going to be featured at the same movie theater, in the same place, in the same spot that my car Deadpool Scat 426 was. It's already there. He's already opened it up. It's going to be there all weekend. So if you're in Huntsville, go check my man out. I'm going to go there later on today. He's going to be there around 7. I'm trying to be there around the same time he is. He's going to go watch the movie. I probably won't watch the movie today. I might watch it tomorrow. I don't know. I haven't been keeping up with the Sonics, man. I'm going to be honest. But I got to go check my man out and his car out there looking good out front at the movie theater. He showed me a couple of videos, and the kids love it. The adults love it. Everybody love it. Plus, it's a Hellcat. When is a Hellcat not cool? But the Sonic themed Hellcat is at the Sonic the Hedgehog. I think this is movie 3. I'm not sure, man. I don't remember. Y'all tell me. But it's at the movie premiere tonight and all weekend here in Huntsville, Alabama, at the Cinemark Theater on Bridge Street. So y'all go check it out. Check the car out. Follow my man on social media, and I'm gonna get some more videos and show y'all what it looks like when you share the wealth, man. When you share the wealth, I don't keep no secrets. Anything you want to know about my car, where I got stuff from, how I got it done, the connections, the contacts, I'm gonna give it to you because I want you to shine. I want you to shine brighter than I shine. And if you got something, if you did something, or if you know something that I don't, man, help me get on. That's what it's all about. That's what the car community should be about. And if that's not how it is, that's how it should be. But that's how I am. So that's why I put him on, and he's grateful, and I'm so happy for him. And I hope this catches on. More and more people get out and do stuff like this, because the car community needs stuff like this, positive stuff like this. Because some of the things that's been going on, it just ain't positive. So let's get out there for the kids, man, and let's go check it out. And let's do some good things. And I'm going to show y'all more videos of some of the guys around here, because this car club that I'm going to say I'm affiliated with, I'm not going to join a car club. You can bet on that. But the guys that I run with over here, they're a dope group of guys and girls. So there'll be more to come with those, with that group. So check them out. And later on tonight, about 7, 8 o'clock, I'm going to go to the movie theater on Bridge Street, get a few videos of his car, show y'all what it's looking like, and post a link to his page, and y'all check him out, man. He's doing big things. Made it to Bridge Street, Cinemark XD movie theater. I'm about to go check out the homie's build, his display, and see what he's working with, man. I kind of seen some videos before. I'll put them on here too. Because he sent them to me personally, because he was proud of it, and he should be, man. He did a damn good job with that Hellcat, man. So y'all check it out. Let me know what y'all think. Let's check out the homie's car. There it is. '16 Challenger Hellcat. I think it's pretty dope. Respect, respect. Brought his own stanchions. He also got the hookup for the powder coat guy. But this is the new wrap. Man, he brought it all out. Follow the homie, man. Follow the homie.
Wow. Wait, Sonic! 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 I'm here, Sonic! Sonic! I'm happy. Wow.
Back at the house, man. So let me know what y'all think about my man's ride. Let me know what y'all think about that Hellcat and the opportunity that they gave us to put our cars inside the movie theater for the movie premieres, man. So I know how I feel about it. I think it's pretty cool. I think, like I said before, we should do more things like that in the car community. I know a lot of people don't like themed cars. I got kind of hit up on the internet today, man. Why you doing all that with your car? You know, simple wraps are the best. You shouldn't be doing all that with your car. But I'm gonna be honest, and my car was simple and it had basic wraps, I wasn't winning. Definitely wasn't getting kids' choice. And it's always about bringing a smile to a kid's face and showing them that there's other things out there that you can do and put your hard-earned money toward, I guess. There's other hobbies out there than just playing sports, but you could do that too. So that's why I do it. Make a kid smile, because when I was young and I seen cool cars, I was like, yo, I'm gonna get one like that when I grow up. Now that's me growing up, so that's how I feel about it. But everybody has their own opinion. My opinion is I'm gonna keep doing my thing. So appreciate y'all. Appreciate the support.